Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 27, Quadratic Equations, Section A, Easy. Let's start. If the roots of the equation a minus b into x square plus b minus c into x plus c minus a equals to 0 are equal, find the relationship between a, b and c. Firstly, quadratic equations means you must always remember one basic formula. The roots of the quadratic equation are given by x equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2. It means what? Either one root is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a or minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These are the two roots available. Okay. Now what our question is, they are equal. Equal means what? Both these are same. Now if they are same means what? Everything is same. Minus b, 2a, everything is same. This plus is also same. It means that this everything will go and only what will remain is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Here, when the roots are equal, only what remains is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. This is what remains. Now you know what is b, what is a and what is c. This is full big A, this is big B, this is big C. So just put the values then. B minus C the whole square minus 4 into A minus B into C minus A equals to 0. Solve this. You go on solving, you will see this. B square minus 2bc plus C square and this 4 into, keep it as it is for now. Then b square minus 4 is bc plus c square plus 4 into, now solve this bracket, a square. This is what? X minus a into x minus b, that is x square minus a plus b into x plus this ab. So a square minus b plus c into a plus b. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.